Hey guys, what is up? My name is Nikki Foster, and on this channel I post budget-friendly and inspiring ideas. So if you are a person that likes doing creative things, you like doing things on a budget, then this channel is for you. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified anytime I post a new video.
You are watching DIY by Nikki Foster.
So today in this video, as you can see, I am in my dining room, which I did do this makeover. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did that, you can click the eye wherever. I'm gonna put the eye up here. You can click that to watch, and I'll also link it in the description box below. Okay, so moving on. So today in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create a beautiful tablescape using things you probably already own in your kitchen. Let's get started. It is kind of sort of minimal, but not, I don't know.
A quick tip on how to stay almost minimal for the holidays.
First thing is I have a table runner. I'm starting off with a neutral table runner. So this could be used any time of year, whether it is for, Christmas, New Year's, if someone's having like a baby shower or something like that. This could be like reused because the color is neutral. It doesn't say like any happy holidays. It doesn't say Merry Christmas, Happy Easter, anything like that. So this can be used anytime. So that is one of the things, one of the keys when you are buying things and you're trying to keep things a little bit more minimal. Buy stuff without like sayings on it so you can reuse and repurpose it anywhere, anytime, anyhow you want. Okay, so that's first thing.
Another tip on how to keep things almost clutter-free for the holidays.
All right. So the next thing we are using is mason jars. So these come in a pack of 12. These are only $8. I actually have these on hand already because my family and I use mason jars to like drink smoothies, and I'll like pre-make them, put them in the freezer, have them in the fridge. So mason jars are something like a staple that I think a lot of families already have. So what I'm gonna be doing today is actually using them, something that I already own, something that I always have on hand, and just utilize it as the base for the table centerpiece, or the tablescape, whatever you wanna call it. Like, I'm not buying anything new to have like clutter in the house. I'm just using something I already have. And again, these are not Christmas color. These are clear jars. You can use them whenever. So we are gonna use these on the base for the table centerpiece, and let's go.
Next, we are going to need a bag of Epsom salt. Next, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of Epsom salt to each of the mason jars. Then I'm just adding votive candles to every other mason jar on the table. Next, pour in some cranberries. I ended up overfilling my jars and it was a little harder to get the foliage in. You guys will see what I'm talking about in the next step.
Okay, and last but not least is this. These look like little mini trees. So we are gonna be using this for the centerpieces. I'm just taking a bunch of the green bunch that looks like the trees. I'm just taking a bunch of those and stuffing it inside.
This is the part I was telling you guys about when I put too many cranberries in the jar. So it's just way easier just to take a little bit of cranberries out, or don't put them in all the way in the first place. It just makes it easier for you.
Remember I said I overstuffed the cranberries, so I had to take them out, like half of them out, and then just top it off. And this actually helps it go in a little bit easier. So the next thing is I'm gonna be using this gingham print wrapping paper. I had seen this done a couple times, like using wrapping paper on the table, but I've never tried it myself. So I wanna try this and see how it looks.
So I just roll the wrapping paper upside down so it can cover the whole table. Then I just cut it a little bit longer than the table length.
Hey guys. So, and just to make sure it doesn't like move out of the way, I'm gonna put a little tape underneath the table.
Then I'm placing the table runner back in the center of the table. Another one of my clutter-free tricks is that I use solid white plates. These are Corelle plates, which are shatter and chip resistant, so kids can use these as well as adults. This set comes with plates and bowls, and I only use this to minimize clutter. Next, I'm using gold flatware, which I think makes everything pop, and it's kind of fancy for guests. In general, most flatware you find on the market is 18% chromium and 0% nickel, and that's the one I'm using. And here I'm just adding a dinner napkin to the plate. Then I'm just adding these little cards that I printed using Canva. Now it's time to add the centerpieces back to the table. I add the mason jars with the salt and the candles first, then I fill in the ones with the cranberries and the foliage. And to top everything off with that extra special touch, I am just using wine glasses that I already own. And here is how the tablescape turned out. It was super easy to do. This is a stress-free holiday tablescape that you can do using things you already have in your home or buying minimal items to make your home feel like a little bit more festive. The labels I printed are general favorite words surrounding like the holiday time, but those could be changed to other people's names. The wrapping paper, which mine was left over from last year actually, is disposable and adds a huge pop of color without like a big price point. In general, this is how I like to decorate if I do decorate for the holidays. Most of the time my table remains empty, but this year I want it to be a little bit more festive without overbuying holiday decor. I actually really like these tricks because they help me to save my money, and also it helps me to be creative and think outside the box. I really love how I was able to use majority of the items I already own to create this really nice holiday festive look. Again, this is something that's kind of like pulled together really quickly, and anyone can use this idea to build off it to complement their own style. So a couple of days have passed and you can see how the green foliage is starting to look a little bit wilted. So I have another idea for this. This round green ball-like flower kind of reminds me of like a Dr. Seuss illustration. This is actually called Green Trick or Dianthus Green Ball. The shorter name is called Green Trick. So all I'm gonna do is actually just use these to stick inside, and you get like a kind of sort of a different look. And this is the table setting with the green trick, and I have to admit it was a little bit easier to assemble these than with the other foliage that looked like mini green trees. Also, I just wanted to show you guys how a holiday themed tablescape can look during the day. It makes it look nice and bright. This green trick makes it look really fun, but still festive. If you guys like this quick and easy, almost minimal tablescape idea and want to see more ideas like this, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because it really does help me out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.